Hey, what is up, YouTube? You are in the kitchen with me, and what I got for you today is some firecrackers. I'm gonna show you how to make this. Without further ado, let's get into it, baby. So good. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Now, these are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. You're gonna need something to put them in. I'll use this, some ranch seasoning, at least 2 packs. I use 2. Some cayenne pepper to put a little bit of kick in to make it the firecrackers. Some paprika. And here I am using some whole grain crackers. As you can see here, I have this other box here because I'm gonna make the family another kind. You can use plain crackers, but I prefer whole grain. Now let's get into it. First, we're gonna go ahead and start by opening up all our packages so we can just get ready to dump them in when the time is ready. We don't want to waste time sitting here trying to open each pack. And what I mean by that is all the other crackers sitting up soaking up the flavor while you keep trying to open it pack by pack. All right, now let's get our seasoned mixer ready. 1 cup canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil or olive oil. Whatever you do, please don't use extra virgin olive oil because it has a distinctive taste and it's not too great. Not for this. I'm using 2 packages of ranch seasoning. I'll also throw a link in the description if you prefer to make your own ranch seasoning. It's just as good as this. Probably even better because you can control the amount of salt in there since the crackers already have salt on them. Now you can omit this if you want because some people don't like spicy. And you can still call them firecrackers, but it won't be spicy. But 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of paprika, now what you want to do is you want to get all this mixed up before we add our crackers in there. You want to get that liquid little slurry going on here. Okay, now we can add our crackers, y'all. I've heard 1 gallon freezer bags work, but sometimes I don't think they got much room in there. Plus, you kind of break up the cracker sometime trying to use those. But it works. But anyhow, you just want to keep turning and everything till every cracker gets coated. Just keep on turning until you don't see any liquid actually running around the sides or the bottom of your vessel. After they're all coated, just let it sit for a few hours, and that's how it's done.